Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in a challenge from MomDas Life Handmade, and it is called Useful DIY Challenge. And her co-host this month is Nicole Northgarden, and her channel is Nicole Northgarden DIY. So let's get right to this. Alright, this is like a crate I actually got for free several years ago. It was brought into a thrift store and they decided not to sell it, and they were taking it to the dumpster when I saw them carrying it, and I asked them and they said I could have it for free. And I've had it a few years not knowing exactly what I wanted to do with it, so I have just kind of held on to it. Now, I'm not doing a whole lot for this. It's just more, I want to use it as storage for my acrylic paints. So I'm just going to make it, jazz it up a little bit. So I'm taking just white acrylic paint, and I am covering the whole insides as well as the trim on the outside. I'm only going to start with one coat, and then you'll see what I'm going to end up doing with this after I get this coat done. Okay, now that that white coat is finished, I am taking this blue and I'm just going to cover all of that white with this blue, but I'm not going for full coverage because when I'm done with this, I lost the footage, but I'm going to dry erase white over the blue. It just gives it a really watery kind of a look. And like I said, I lost the footage of me doing the dry erasing. When I was finished, I went to turn the record off and it wasn't recording. It had not been recording. So I'm like, can't go back and do that again. So yeah, this is just a really super simple project. I really enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to go down to my description box down there. It's going to have MomDas Life Handmade's channel link, as well as Nicole Northgarden DIY's channel link. It will also have the playlist link. Also, I didn't use very many tools today, but all the things that I do use, I have a link tree link in the description box, and you can go down there and it will take you right to my Amazon storefront or anywhere else that I purchase the things that I use in all of my different videos. So yeah, here I am. I'm just completely finished, completely doing this. And by the way, I'm so glad you're here. And if you are new, welcome. And if you have been here before, I'm so glad you're back. Also, don't forget to go down to the description box. I already said that. How about if you don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up, and please leave comments. I love all comments. I love to respond to them, and I love to read them, and this will help my channel grow so that I can continue bringing you all these different projects. I'm also going to be starting to do one woodworking video a month and one nail painting video a month. I put out a little survey out there and you guys said you wanted to see that, so that is what I'm going to be doing. But just I'll let you finish enjoying this, and you guys have a great day. And this is me finishing up the blue, and then this is kind of what it looks like with the dry brushing effect. Looks kind of weird, but this is how I have it all stocked up, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And please, don't forget to be the Bible that somebody reads today, and you guys all have a blessed day. Bye.